Hello everybody, this is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. This video is part 2 of the Canva for beginners, and in this video I'm only going to show you the different text options, what you can do with the text effects. So I hope that you enjoy this. So I will go to custom design and I'm gonna do 10 by 10 just for this video. I'm using the free version here so you can see what you can and cannot do. So for this we're going to use the text option here. When you click on the text option, you get all this. I have shown quickly this in previous videos. All these font combinations that you can use. If you click on any of them, they will come in automatically on your workspace. Most of them will be grouped, so you just have to ungroup them. Then you can change your wording. You can change the color. If you come here, you can change your color. Gonna make this one pink. You can even change the font. If you want to use another font, you can just change the font. So you can have a look here, all different kind of font combination that's already done for you. If you like something, you can change it like I'll show you. You can change colors, you can change the font. The basic font combination will stay the same. So there's quite a lot. Like I mentioned in the first video, everything that's marked with this crown is only for the pro version, but there's quite a few. Like in this one is quite. Let me just get rid of this. You see it's also ungrouped, so you can, let's see, put in birthday. If you want to make something like this, or you can and so on. You can do different wordings on each one. You can change the colors, you can change the font. So lots of things that you can explore here for your wrappers or anything else that you want to use. Like this one is actually also cute. With this one, you have to have the same amount of characters. Ungroup, birthday. Oops. Birthday, let's say celebration. So there you can just move it, and there you have that cute words. A lot of them here, so you can go have a look at all of them. If you want to use the regular, you have a little bit of body text, which will give you this small box. A subheading will give you something that's a bit bigger and bolder, and the heading is much more bold. All of them, you can change the wording, you can change the colors, you can change the size, whatever you want to do. There's one that only say add a text box. So that will only bring in a box, not specific size like this one's. And you can go and change your wording. You can change the fonts and you can change your color. Okay, the next one is a cool feature. A lot of options also. So for this one, I'm going to say add a heading, something bold. Let's say birthday. When you click on your word that you said, all of this comes up here on the top. I want to show you the effects, so you just click on effects. And now you will see here on the left side a few things pop up. For now, it's at the none, so no effects added to the word. If you do the shadow, you will see there's a little bit of a shadow. Here you've got all the sliders that you can use. Okay, I'm just gonna make this word, let's make it red so that you can see the effects. Okay, so the color that was added to the shadow is black here. When you use the sliders, you will see. Okay, first I'm gonna make it a bit, the outline a bit. Okay, make it 100 so you can see what I'm talking about. When you do the offset, that will happen. You see, you can get some cool effects with this. Direction will mean where the shadow must be. You see, and then this blur give it that more. You see that blurry effect that you have saw in some of the font combinations. You will do that here. You can change the color. Okay, let's make it some orange. Not working well. Let's see what's blue there. Okay. So click on effects to go back. So now you can see when you do the blur, it will give you that effect. Okay. Direction will give you that effect. So if we do it there and we do the blur, then you get that effect. Okay, offset, you can change, make it smaller, make it bigger, give you all that options. I'm going back to none. Net we see the left. The left is also giving you some kind of a background. You can see if you use the slider, you will see what effect you get there. The hollow is only going to give you the outline. You can make it thicker, and you can do that with that one. Splice is giving also some kind of an outline, but I have more options than only the outline that I will show you now. So also the color. Let's make the color black. That's the effect that you will get. Thickness, how thick you want it. The offset again, where it's going to move, where's the offset's going to move. You can get that effect. And the direction one again. Once again, let's make that offset there. The direction one once again, where you want it to go. Some cute things that you can do with this. Okay, the outline. You see that this option, the outline, only give you the option to increase the thickness of the outline, where that splice gave you all that different sliders with different effects that you can get. So let's make this outline black so you can see, and the slider will make it. What you also can do, that is cool, is you can go to this spacing tab. You'd go to the letter spacing and you further from each other, and then you increase the thickness. Let's say we want it like a bold, but we don't want them to touch each other, so we go to the letter spacing and you get that effect. Okay, that's the outline. Then you've got the echo. I'm gonna make this black for this one. And there you have this slider. So now the color for the echo, it's like a shadow. It's almost like that lift, but it's a bit different. In the option, you can also change the color if you want. You can change the offset, make it bigger. Looks like a faded background there. Direction also, you can move it. Where do you want it? Where do you want that offset to go? Then the glitch. The glitch, I couldn't figure out how to change these colors. It don't give me the option to change them. If I change the color, make it blue, then that glitch color stays the same. So this is what happened with the direction. The offset, let's make the offset bigger. You see the colors there stays into that colors there, the two colors that's there, and the direction just to that. You see, so you can change the base color, but that colors, it looks like it changed with the direction, and your offset also have impact on that. The next one is the neon, and this one only have one color and it give that neon effect. So if we change the color to say yellow, that is you can, if you bring it up to 100, you can see the words standing out more. You can see the words more clearly. If we change the color to red, color to purple, you see all these cool effects that you can do with this one. And then the last one is the background. If you click on it, it gives you all the sliders here and the background color. So what is cool about this is you can go in and change your color, your background color. So let's go and do some, okay, let's keep it there. You can change the roundness of your background from a rectangle to a more shaped rectangle. The spread is where you want it, how wide it must be from the word or close to the word. And the transparency, you can turn the transparency down. So this is also quite a nice feature. And then we have the curve. So you can, if you click on the curve, you will see it gives you that round effect. And then when you just scroll down, you will see that here's a slider. If you bring it to this side, it will go more in. If you go back, it will go to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna do the letter spacing a bit more. Okay, so for instance, let's look. Okay, this is a pro feature, but it's just want to give you the idea. So we want to put these words on top there. So you click, go to effects, scroll down. Now you're going to drag the slider so that the word go to the other side. Put the word on top. Okay, we can increase the. So now we see that rounding is not like it's supposed to be. So we go back to the slider, bring it in more, and then what you can do is this is your, you can turn it. Okay, so now you can go play around, turn it. See, okay, maybe we can put the letters more outside. Okay, but you get the idea. Go to effects and you can play around with how you want the curve to be. And if you don't want the curve, you just click on this one that says none and it will go back. We have moved it now, so it's not straight now. If you go back to the move handle, you will see we're on -3. So if you go back till now, there we have it straight now again. So this is all for the text. You can play around with all the different things I showed you today, and I would like to see what you do with it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.